Is this?
Just landed in Sawadika, Thailand, and Mabuhay, Philippines. I am here for Miss MGI All-Stars.
How was your flight? What took you so long to come here?
Diba? I still finish my business. I'm in the Miss International Queen Philippines. And oh my God, it takes a lot of courage and dedication to come here, and finally I am here in Thailand to compete for MGI All Stars, and I'm so excited to see all the girls. Oh my God! Thank you so much for the love and support. Salamat po. Grabe, late na ha, nung oras na, pero nandito pa rin kayo nakasuporta sa akin. Nag-aantay po talaga sila for me to be here. Oh my God. Thank you so much to my friends, to my team who's here, especially to Adam.
Yes.
Thank you. Salamat po for the love and support.
What are you looking forward the most here in MGI All Stars? At kilala mo na ba kung sino ang roommate mo?
Gazini. So I'm looking forward na makaband lahat ng mga kandidata. Diba? Na-experience ko before sa Miss International Queen. I gained friends. So that's what I'm looking forward now. To make friends with from other countries. So I'm really excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited to see all the girls. Actually, na-meet ko na si Gazini kanina.
Do you somehow feel kasi you're a well-decorated title holder, Miss International Queen 2022 lang naman. Do you feel any pressure to do well in the competition given your past title?
Actually, pressure is always there. But right now, I'm just doing my best and enjoying the show. And I want to make my country proud again. Diba? Diba? Oh my God, grabe yung pag-welcome nyo sa akin. Anong oras na, pero nandito pa rin kayo nakaantay sa akin. Oh my God. Thank you.
Ganun ka namin kamahal.
Thank you. Salamat.
So anong pasabog? Anong strategy mo ngayon for MGI All Stars?
Iniba namin ang strategy from MIQ. Parang it's like grand new fuchsia. So abangan yung lahat, mga pasabog.
Ay, talaga.
Yes.
Ito nga, Mama Kari.
Yes! The Master Couture, Mother Kari Santiago. Supportive talaga siya ever since. Thank you so much, Mother Kari, for always supporting me all the way.
So, is it safe to say na siya rin ang gagawa ng evening gown?
Abangan natin, di ba? Isa yun sa mga pasabog na abangan natin yung evening gown. Kung sinong designer, anong design, di ba? Yun talagang inaabangan ng mga pageant fans eh.
Yes.
Yung mga designer at design ng gown. Dapat iba sa mata. Bago sa panlasa, bago sa mata ng mga pageant fans.
So, dito sa MGI, kasi natandaan ko na nung MIQ freshan ka, bango-bangohan, freshan ka ang aura mo. Ngayon ba, ang MGI alam naman natin, di ba? Loud, baklaan, grand energy.
Di ba? Yung MIQ kasi parang soft, classy. Pero this time around, I will give my 1,000,000% energy. Kasi kailangan I have to win the hearts, not just the pageant fans, of course, Papa Noah.
Yun ang importante.
Yes, of course, I will do my very best. I will do my 1,000,000% to make you all proud.
Let's go for that million.
And I'm doing it right now.
So, ano message mo ngayon sa mga fans mo na nakaantabay sa'yo ngayong nandito ka na sa MGI All Stars?
Continue to please support me in this journey. Of course, don't forget to vote for me kasi may voting. So hopefully you will still continue to support me all the way, especially sa voting, please. And of course, prayers yung lahat talaga. Hindi natin kakalimutan. Thank you. Maraming salamat po talaga.
We'll be all out supporting you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat for the love and support. This is my graduation pageant. Last na talaga. Final pageant ko na talaga, for sure. So I will give my very best. Lahat gagawin ko para mapasaya ang pageant fans and to make my country proud and trans Pinay proud. This is for my trans Pinay. This is all
the
for
whole
you.
Cebu City and Cebu
Yes,
Province.
not just the whole Cebu, but the Philippines.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for coming here. Even late na, late ko na ano. Actually, paburan ako ng makeup. Hindi ko alam na dito pala, may interest pala dito. Punta pala dito. Hindi ko alam kasi pinupunta nila ako sa back, doon ako sa likod.
Sa back
pinadaan,
door.
sa back door. So I was not expecting na meron pala naghihintay sa akin. I'm sorry.
So by the way, who's your roommate?
Gazini!
He's back.
Di ba? Kasi
Kasama lahat.
magkasunod kasi kani F at G. Fuchsia and Gazini. Parang hindi,
Oh,
di ba yung mga
Alphabetical.
Miss Universe? Oh yeah.
Oo.
Alphabetical sa names. Before, di ba, sa mga sa country. Like Albania first, then Armenia. Ngayon, mga pangalan namin. Fuchsia, Gazini, yung yung
Mga
first.
Cebuana, magbabanding.
Yes.
We stuck by.
Oo.
Excited kasi
mga
friends pa
bisdak.
sila ni Gazini.
Oo.
Kaya,
You were quoted earlier saying na talagang hindi mo akalain na dream come true na makakalaban mo si Gazini.
Yes. Si Stephanie.
Hindi, wala na si Stephanie.
Kasi nag-back
Oo nga.
out siya. Sila talagang dalawa nilulook forward ko na, oh my God, when they announced, na-announce na sila, grabe, para akong, being on that stage, I am already a winner.
Tsaka madami may
Di
mga
ba?
memes na kino-compare kayo tatlo.
Yes, di ba?
As early as now, ba kaya mo makipagpuksaan sa mga Latina?
Yes!
Tingnan natin. But I will do my best talaga. But I am not just here to compete. I am here to celebrate sa womanhood in all forms. And of course, to enjoy. Enjoy lang.
So one question lang, Fuchsia. So you've won the crown sa MIQ in a trans international pageant. So now you're entering in a competition where you're gonna be competing against cisgender powerhouse queens from all over the world. What does it mean to you personally?
It really means a lot, di ba? I grew up seeing Miss Universe and I dream to competing with them because I feel even before bata pa ako, gusto ko talaga makompete with other women and I was given a chance, Miss Grand International, MGI giving us a chance to compete. Di ba? It's really a dream come true. Walking with them is already a dream. Di ba? So, tingnan natin.
And it's a win for the
So I'm just
trans
so
community.
grateful to be here. It's already-
I'm glad that you're approaching this competition with an open heart, with a grateful heart.
Yes, I'm so
Talaga anything that will just make you grow
Yes.
to be a mature, confident
Yes,
woman.
thank you
that-
so much, Papa Nawat, for this initiative for us to finally we're being heard for a very long time and we're here in this grand exchange even if our passport is male.
Malay mo,
Not to mention yung mga pageant fans kasi they are not accepting trans if the passport is male.
Oh.
So, MJ, even if your passport is male, you are still allowed. You are still allowed to compete the pageant. So, thank you so much, Papa Nawat, for this initiative. I'm so grateful to be here.
malay mo pag maganda yung mga performances or showing ninyong mga
Diba?
transgenders nila
Diba?
katulad nila Key, nila Miss Venezuela. Who knows?
Diba?
Baka allow na rin niya mag-compete ang mga transgenders sa
And
MGI normal pageant.
And I feel like they want us to compete as a woman.
Uh-huh.
Di ba?
Yeah, there's no discrimination. Yeah.
Di ba?
Ano yung message mo to your fellow trans queens?
Continue dreaming. Soar high. And don't forget to put your feet on the ground. Thank you.
Salamat.
Mabuhay ka,
Maraming salamat
Fuchsia.
po. Thank you so
And good
much.
luck.
Thank you. Salamat po.
These next 2 weeks will be the adventure of your lifetime.
Sorry?
these next 2 weeks will be an adventure of your lifetime.
Yes, yes.
Kaya galingan mo.
Thank
Thank you.
Pasarela sample lang, ma.
Okay. Actually, mahirap siyang ilakad, pero I will do my best for all.
Doon sa ano, sa escalator dapat.
Escalator?
Hindi pwede
Akyat
yun.
siya?
Ito na lang.
Sige, sige. Dito.
Go.
Pasabog. Pasabog, fusion.
MSHI
Pasabog.
All-Stars. Sorry. MSHI All-Stars Philippines.
Yes! Fusion! Yes, oh. Oh, pasabog! Go, go, go!
Wow! Kaukaw mo.
Kaukaw mo, ma! Asa na kaukaw mo?
Yan!
Sa bugs muna, sa bugs muna. Sa muna bugs talaga. Sa bugs pa. Ganda. Pasarela, isang bugs.
Sige. Go, mare!
Pak.
Pak! Kaukaw mo walk!
Isang period bar.
Kaukaw
Pak,
mo
period
walk!
bar.
Yeah!
Oh, yan.
Pa kasi Alex Marian is watching. Pak. Oh, pak. Period bar. Ganda. Oh, pak.
Sige ikutin mo yung mesa.
Yeah. What? Pak. Oh.
Ay, ba't gagawin natin yung moves na yun sa pageant, ha?
Isang bugs. Pak. Isang bugs muna. Bugs.
One, two.
Thank you, Yusha. Good night. Have a good night rest.
Salamat.
Tapos yung bugs.
Tomorrow action pack kayo sa
Ready ka na
schedule.
po ba? Grabe.
Ready na.
Pa-promote ka muna.
I'm so ready. Thank you. Salamat ha. Thank you so
Salamat,
much for
guys.
coming. Thank you so much for waiting.
Boom!
Grabe, it means a lot to me.
Gano'n ka namin kamahal at kaka-importante.
Lalo na ano ako.
Hintay ka namin na kumain 9 p.m. pa lang, ma.
Na-overwhelm ako. Thank you. Salamat.
Bye!